Is the music lagging or it's weird? Or there's a soundtrack like that? Somehow I hate Pretzel. Their plugin, it just lags. Hello. Okay, there's new Humble Bundle choices. And they have Empyrean this time. Which is good. Oh, Terraformers. Oh, there are a set of games that I need to claim. Gonna do this later or over the weekend. Let's also enable the sound. Let's mute the sound. One thing that I forgot. Check if there are when someone follows, is there actual sound of it? Probably will check. Need not to forget about it. Let's go back to my skill issue experiment. Jackie plays today full day of Elden Ring. No game development. Add in 1 minute. Where I left? Oh, I left in the mess. Coffee, 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 coffee. Just to boost myself up. Today was the crazy day. I did something and I have no idea what I did. Yeah, work days are worst. Sometimes. Sometimes you did nothing and you know you did nothing and you feel bad. Sometimes you know that you did something because you had no time to actually eat or like do some stuff, and then in the end you still don't know what you did, and it feels even worse sometimes. And the stuff that you wanted to do like in the morning you actually do late evening, like I did right now. Also I need to eat some cookies with coffee. Hmm. Can I have something like animated sprite? Animated sprite frame. How to select this one? No, okay. Weird. New animation. Default. Sprite. Nope. Now let's go to default one. This one. Okay, so there are 3 frames. Can it be GIF? Also animated sprite. Is it? Okay, it's part of a node, not animated one. Okay, if I go to... where it is? Open documentation. It's canvas item. It's no 2D canvas item, so it cannot be part of the animated stuff. So it's not only about changing a texture. If I want to have animation, there should be something. Okay, if it will be like 1 always, it's 1. This looks interesting. My current thought is, can I have only animated sprite instead of just simple sprite to have animated everywhere? Let's see the docs. Does it have something like to add animation or add sprite on the runtime? In the runtime, autoplay, centered flip frame, integer sprite frames. Hello. How's it going? Animation autoplay. I know. Просто стрим на английском в основном. В 99%. And some cursing. Curse words. All the time. Centered. Flip H. Flip B. Okay, there are no matters to actually get the stuff. Maybe sprite frames can be added somehow. Resource containing the animations. So technically I can get an animation and not touch it. So it works with animations, but I cannot create it. Add animation, add frame, string name, texture to it. Oh, I can add frame to it on the runtime. Ну, бывает, что аудитория есть, так что как-то так. Цель-то все равно не в этом. Вряд ли это будет приносить какие-то деньги. Хоть как-то значительные. So yeah, the point is not... yeah, the problem of the stream is not just to earn money. It's something that... is a focus thing and to force myself to do stuff. Courses are lame. Most of them. One thing why courses are good, online courses, is just if you can actually ask questions from the guy who teaches you. So that's the only thing. Then that's the only thing that you should pay for, probably, in the universities, in the school, and like everywhere. So not just to eat some sort of information, but to actually learn it by asking, making mistakes, and being guided. And all the courses now, the paid ones, are usually same as YouTube ones. Maybe higher quality, but sometimes they are not. Which is weird, and someone actually buys them. I mean, I'm also buying courses a lot, but only when I know that they will be beneficial to me. To some extent. Or, of course, you can get courses just to have this diploma. Like, so there's a verification process. Like in government, usually, if you want to teach someone, you will get courses and you will get this kind of certificate that allows you to teach. And then you can use that to teach someone and actually say, like, hey, this guy actually paid the courses. And give the diploma to everyone. Yeah, I can have animation. There's animated sprite. That's good. Gonna think about it later. It's really cool. Technically, I can create building animation from scratch here. So I can have different animations for each step of the building, if I wish. Like create new, rename it to something like I don't know, 30%, 0.3, I don't know, something like that. Then I can have another one, 0.6, for example, and but then I would need to figure out which one to run. Still, it's an option. Maybe slightly better one. If everything in the game would be animated. Because not everything should be animated, like walls. Why the hell they should be animated? They're static. And if you build a wall, it will stay there. So okay, this thing is researched kinda. What's next? Start. It starts and it builds itself. Now, two things. When this building is ready and active, it should do something. It should be active. So this is core module. Is being built. Maybe export var is active. Bool equals false. Maybe is being built can be is built. Is built. Is built should be the same. If resource is built. True. Okay. If I should replace them. Space. X. Close. Enter. Enter. Просто эти данные возвращать по запросу. Я пытаюсь осмыслить список элементов. То есть список в одну строку. Я просто не очень понимаю, что нужно сделать. И что за сервер такой? В плане он их отдает, но не меняет. Просто прочитал, отдал. Сложненько осознать, что нужно. Flashbang. Как я понимаю, клиент, сервер, и данные. То есть ты спрашиваешь, и клиент возвращает вот это обратно. Я так понял. И я чего-то не понимаю. Окей, microservice. Microservice. Okay, ask for the token. Token. So this guy actually has the tokens. Token 1, token 2, token 3, token 4, etc. Я все еще не понимаю, что это значит. В плане, ну, это обыкновенная сессия. Пока что звучит как сессия. Сервер спрашивает, получает сессию, сессия живет. Чтобы сервер больше это не спрашивал, всегда будет та же сессия. Если ты авторизуешь сервер, конечно. Я просто не вижу критерия в плане, что типа я спрашиваю, получаю, допустим, я спросил, он мне вернул 2. И теперь все следующие запросы будет вот эта же двоечка возвращаться. Это сессия. Можешь руками устраивать, можешь через, не знаю, встроенная фигня в любом языке, который HTML имеет. Дополнительная вещь, которую можно сделать, я не знаю, там, можешь маркать. Типа база таблички и марки взята, кем взята. Скажем, в SQL. И тут будет ID. Value. И who, кто взял, и дата до какого числа. TTL. Нет, не TTL, это когда умрет, блин, как это называлось? Забыл. Ну, это та же фигня. I mean, та же табличка. Есть сессионные переменные, кстати. Ты можешь в сессию, ну, типа, если PHP, допустим, то там сессия. Можешь класть в сессию. И помнит сессия, что эта штука взята. Да, проблема в том, что ты можешь ее отдать другому. То есть, если другой человек попросит, ты не можешь узнать, что она занята. Ты можешь, тогда должен локать, тогда должен точно помечать. Но я не могу. Не уклоняюсь. Есть код веселый. Вот код веселый есть. Также ползает. Но самое простое иметь все-таки какую-то базу. SQL, Reddit, что-то такое. Потому что да, тебе нужна проверка, что если другой... Если вдруг ты скажешь, что будет другой сервер, и он спрашивает, ты должен отдать все, что угодно, кроме этого. Ну, если говорить про файл, то я бы, наверное, тогда... Ну, базовая фигня через файл, то у меня было бы 2 строки. Я бы работал с ней как с базой. Блин, 3 строки. Да, все-таки самое правильное иметь базу и... Да. Что не так со мной? Time. util. Ну, это одна таблица. Она может быть в Redis. То есть можешь просто Redis и класс ключи. Этот SQLite. Что угодно. Там реально работает ни о чем. Заодно небольшой опыт. Но это займет пару часов. Все, в сумме красиво построить. Я просто не знаю, вот что вот с этим надо, если я правильно понял. Но тебе надо вынимать что-то и помечать. То есть тебе нужно будет всю эту табличку засунуть в базу. Там есть, когда он может сохранять базу. Когда ты скажешь ему, что это файл, а не... Redis persistent. Persistent refers to the writing of data to a durable storage, such as solid-state disks. Redis provides a range of persistence options. This include... Ну да. Я понял, что он может. Мне казалось, там он автоматически может. Ты можешь сказать ему, как ему хранить. Ты можешь сказать ему в памяти, а можешь сказать не в памяти, а в файле. Как оно отваливается, файл сохраняется. Но когда у тебя должен быть SSD побыстрее. Если ты хочешь. Ту же скорость, что Redis умеет. Кстати, обычно вот то, что ты говоришь, эта штука, это часто делают, допустим, браузеры, вот сейчас я работаю в браузере условно, и вот эта всякая фигня, у нее там вот всякие хэш, где там, memory, вот, блин, почему ничего не показывает? Storage. Вот вся эта херня, это база данных, скорее всего SQLite. Это почти SQL. Почти. Но проще, тупее и локальный. У меня была такая идея, кстати. Но потом кто-то попросил что-то проверить, и я понял, что это странно. Но да, сейчас у меня большая цель доделать игру играбельной. So yeah, the main goal right now is to make this game playable. To move it to the playable state. So it would be actually a game. Not like finished, not polished, not something, but just playable. And I'm still working on that. So that's a huge problem. Oh yeah, best thing about SQLite is that it's a file. So your database will be a file that you can actually read. So it's almost the same as you did. You can try and have CSV, by the way, also. To store data as CSV, but then you would need to parse CSV every time. Or for example, if this is microservice, then it could be you can have a cache in your memory. If it's something like Node.js or whatever, then you can preload the file when the server starts. But if you have a lot of objects, you may run out of memory. And yeah, you still need to persist it. So if the server dies, you would need to remember that whoever asked for what, the token. Try it live. They even have live connection. Nice. When to use SQLite? Enterprise data. The emphasis scalability, concurrency, serialization, and control. Strive to provide local data storage for individual applications and devices. Exactly what you probably want. SQLite emphasizes economy, efficiency, reliability, independence, and simplicity. You can actually git push it, commit it to Git. which is cool. Okay, back to the game. So, was it still working? What am I thinking of? No, because it's being built is here. So if it's built, then I do nothing. I'm not building it. I keep forgetting that I had more of the links. Yay. Oops. Okay, if every module can be built, let's have then the signal here for now. I started to think like how I can move this build functionality outside, but then it's weird. Услуги, services cost. I actually not sure. I'm not doing that for a long time, so it was quite long time ago. So it would be, I don't know, a couple of €100, because I think it may take like 2 hours, and it's like around 30-50 per hour would be euros. But I'm not willing to take it. I mean, not because I don't want or something or money or whatever. I just don't have time. I would gladly, relax and do nothing. I could do it on stream, maybe someday, but again, after I finish the game. Right now, I'm trying to focus like all the priorities. No gaming streams, nothing. Only this game. Only Godoting, and like learning a lot of stuff. Uh, 30-50, like 30-50, от 30 до 50 евро в час. Обыкновенная минималка 25, что-то такое. Но это... That's what I ask when the guys come in, like, from the companies and stuff. So, like, I'm actually not counting hours. I usually count days. And it should be like 400 per day. Around like 400 euros per day. If I'm willing to take any side project. So it's 8 hours. 400. And I cannot divide 400 by 8. So it should be around 50. But again, I'm not willing to take it. Я говорю, я бы, может, и бесплатно сделал. Фокус, гейм, чтобы игра работала. Остальное все потом. И это займет Godoting. So yeah, I'm not willing to take any freelance stuff. Boxes in space. Not yet boxes, only an arrow. By the way, I still cannot find any lizard on that image that you made for the... How his name was? I keep forgetting the dungeon man. See, it's an arrow, and it's a blueprint, and it's being built. And it's broken, it's not changing the stats. Actually, why is broken? Okay, it has all the images. Why it's not being updated? Maybe because I moved it. Cooler came by and broke everything, I know. That's the reason, obviously. If it's built, that's how it should be. Yeah. 0, 1. Wait, why the blueprint? Okay, because 0 has blueprint on top of it. Yeah. And it's not finished. So texture, asset texture on build, validated, latest texture. Process. If it's built, so it's already done. I do nothing. Okay. And here, sprite, resource, state, assets, main texture. Texture, resource, state, blueprint. That's how it starts. So if it's not built, if it's built, then it's main texture. If it's not built, then it's a blueprint texture. By the way, I found out that there is actual animated sprites and they are not related to the texture. So they have internally multiple how they call it? Animations inside. And every animation has its own sprites. So it's gonna be weird to have that, like both of the ways. So one thing can be animation, thing can be not animated. So I can try and make everything animated, and like stuff that is not animated, like simple wall, it will be just one frame. So it will be animation of one frame that is not changed. But I'm not sure if it's good way or not. So let's keep texture for now, because I don't have any animations. And let's fix that when someone makes an animation. Okay, why it was not finished? Because here the build was false. Oh, okay, maybe it was 100% and I switched it off too fast. Let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, it's still there. But it stopped, so it's not moving up. I think. Can you show me delta? I don't care about delta. I care about if it's built. Wait, where's this? Okay, it's part of the resource. Where's the resource? Resource is here. Okay, his build was not changed, so it's still going through. Okay, this is weird. So this event was not called. Why? What have I changed that it's not being called? Oh, of course. So it got changed and it got changed back instantly. Second frame. Third frame. And it's done. Okay. Next concern is, so I have this building stuff that can be separated somehow. So I may be a module. So let's maybe have a mark like build can be moved to build module. So state assets also can be changed. And right now I just understood one weird thing that, for example, this is gonna be a save file. So this is resource is gonna be serialized. How do I migrate it? Because by code, I will have like another code, another version of the game. So there needs to be a tool that will be running before this. Yeah, so if I change this tool, I should have this version of this one somewhere separately that will be knowing how to migrate to the next one. Yeah, that's not gonna be easy. Because having those values as a database would be easy. So I'm just loading them back in. And but here it would take some effort, extra effort. But I'm not thinking about it. You will lose your save files if you play my game. Like in Tarkov. Get Tarkov. Game has not started yet, but I'm gonna reset your progress anyway. Just imagine. Can be built. May state assets may be part of a module, because currently state assets have this, and this can be part of the build module. And yeah, also the blueprint. Maybe part of build module. Okay. Now signal is built. And I have the function. Building finished. Build finished. Okay. Is emitted when build points. Are maxed. Okay. Also, this one is being modified outside, which is not good. This may be modified internally. Why it's yellow? Oh, because I'm not emitting the signal. So yeah, it should be inside. This is actually funny. They're telling about the signal, but there is a way. How do I make a bus? Probably I can have a function. Yes, okay. This is bad to call a signal from somewhere, so yeah, probably a bus is a good idea, where it will have a function that will actually emit the signal that it has internally, because signal should not be emitted like from inside. Even GDScript allows that. It's not a good practice. Also, what the hell? Okay, that's a zoom factor. Okay, that's an auto build stuff. So now let's have HP change by ratio when finished. Let's move all of this to the function called self build delta float void, and everything here I will move if not, then call self build delta, and that's it. Should check for a drone and build one if there is none. So check if what was called slot point if has link to a drone. If none, get drone place. Spawn the drone. If there is drone. If there is drone. If built. Heal. If else build if there is a drone and it is home. Okay, so that's what the building of the drone does. I decided to have slot, and slot is a resource, so it will have a link to the resource that's being built and stuff. Right now it's a resource. I know that it must be a drone, so can actually color them. I know that they can color stuff. Okay, maybe only folders can be colored. Yeah, set folder color. Okay. But it won't help. Because that's a core module and modules. Okay, let's have core as a red. Yeah, and would be nice to color those too. It would be extra positive. Toggle scripts panel. Sort. Yeah. Edit. File. Recent soft reload tool script. Copy script, show in file system history. Interesting. Some themes. Never use them. I don't need them in general, but yeah, because I will use Vim soon enough. I mean, soon is relative also. Also adds in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take a break for some tea, to make some tea. And a cookie. So here I have auto builder that should build the stuff. Basically the one that I'm describing. So, but it's not gonna be part of it, so at least not now. State assets. Okay, let's keep it for now here. Slot. Let's move it up because this is the next my focus. Item placed, item moved, item set. Okay, core module. I don't have a slot, I have a drone. That I can directly assign. But I don't know where the drone is, where its position is, and stuff like that. Mm. This component is located on ship. Maybe not needed. This is because it can be a bit useless because every core module will be part of a platform, so it may be built all on top of something, so this something will have a coordinates, not the module itself. And actually, yeah, so the platform will have one slot and that can be, this thing can be assigned to. Whoa, one of my friends on Steam actually plays Age of Empires 2. I really don't know how to organize that. Unorganizable. Mm-hmm. And so I will take a break for tea. Maybe I will invent something.
What if I smoke pipe and cigars? What if I like and drive fast roaring cars? What if I wear work overalls? You might and you will make me lose control. I'm just a woman in search of love. At all my fun of men sweet as a dove. Don't trust my looks, they mask my heart. What makes the end but till death do us part? Why do I have to leave black weight? Why try and be strong as a bear when I know that a man sure waits a lady who knows what to wear? But if you smoke pipe and cigars, if you need company in your roaring strong as a bear. When I know that a man she waits, a lady who knows what to wear. But if you smoke pipe and cigars, if you need company in your roaring cars, I'll have to wear work overalls, 'cause they're so easy to take up and fall.
I hope tea is ready. We'll go check on tea.
I'm looking towards you, and now the battle is won. You hold on to something and need and want. Two hearts beating as one. It's stronger now than
Bad kitty.
ever. Help me take on the world. It's captivating. Yeah. Aren't you tired of living on the outside?
Ate all the ice cream
Don't you want to live without my
and all the tasty stuff.
'Cause our future looks so bright now. So don't you ever let go, no.
How do I make drone? Drones. Drones.
These colors are vibrant. It's showing me the meaning, the answer to all the questions that I'm asking. Of life here, this planet.
I know that generally I can pack scene and it will be stored. So, for example, I'm having this core module and yeah, just pack it and it will work. But do I really want to have that? Let's actually Google it a bit. Godot for how to store.
I'm looking towards you, and now the battle is won. You hold on to something and need and want.
Saving loading data. So that's a player data. You can then save and load like so. Load character data, resource loader exists, save path, return load. Resources can contain sub-resources, so you can have your player's inventory. My response, yeah, that's actually true. How to store scene. Hmm. I don't know about this one. Maybe it should be like the var and slot of type slot.
Well, Jenny was the daughter of a Mississippi preacher. Maybe y'all know what that means. She ran pretty wild back in her teens. One day she was out just driving around with a bottle of Jack through the neighborhood. She was feeling mighty fine, but not driving so good.
How behavior looks like. It's a node.
Was a member of her daddy's flock. She called me collect from the county jail to see if I could make her bail. Well, Jenny had the look of a playboy bunny. She always loved the spotlight. While I was digging out my money, she was working every cop in sight. They loved Miss Jenny down at that jail. I never had to post no bail.
I will sit.
We're glad that Jenny got
It annoys me a bit. Standing hurts. By the way, probably today will be a shorter stream than yesterday. It depends.
She was sitting right on his knee. The cops down at that jail got a show for free. They never booked Jenny or put her in a cell.
Finally, I'm sitting.
Idolize her. They forgot all about her breathalyzer.
This is a really weird song.
Real slow, those cops were sad to see her go. I know what they were thinking, hoping she'd keep right on drinking. Well, Jenny had the look of a playboy bunny. She always loved the spotlight. While I was digging out my money, she was working every cop in sight. They loved Miss Jenny down at that jail. I never
Maybe I can do it through init function. Like when it's being initiated, I will connect all the resources. Like, okay, the problem. I have this core module and it can be built. So it has built points and build HP. This is concrete one. Now I have the drone. It has the same stuff. It also can be built. Right now, it should be built. So, for example, I will copy this and put it here. Should it be like this? So everywhere I need, so I will have like manual drones and I will attach that. Or maybe I can have it as separate resource that would know how to communicate and do all the stuff. So I may call it behavior, but then how the drone, like, for example, I'm creating a drone that can be built, and there will be a drone that is instantly built, that cannot be built. This is a stupid example because I can just ignore that, but right now, let's say it's not just about building. So for drone, because there will be like, for example, moving. Like, can the drone move? Let's actually, yeah, let's have a drone. Let's. Wait, do I need to remember how it was named? The Dali? I forgot. There was a nice AI who knew how to draw stuff. It copy image from text. Oh, it's part of ChatGPT. Draw space. I'm making a 2D top down view space game where you build your own spaceship from blocks. From tiles. Draw a drone texture. By 128 pixels. Will it draw it? I'm curious. Or maybe it's a paid version only. I don't remember. I used one AI that actually made me a nice textures. I remember that I could. Wow. Central hall, 2 windows, side rasters, with highlights to give it a metallic look. For additional details, feel free to ask. View analysis. What is this? Oh, okay, that's... Nice. Drone can build, mine, shoot. Please add those tools to the make it possible for a drone to have those tools. So it's actually drawing by Python. GPT simple drone I like how it makes it like not actual, like, you know, pretend stuff, just basic boxes. Simple drone with tools. The vibes. Look at that. I'm asking ChatGPT to draw a drone. Nice. What's up? Every time you write it, I have this flashback of how it was called. Scary Movie, I think it was called. Was Here's updated drone texture, which now includes tools for building, mining, and shooting. Builder is green, miner is orange, shooter tool black are located on both sides. I mean, that's... And those are thrusters, by the way. So he's dumb. Which is like very interesting aspect of this, that it's Python. So it basically does Python, I think. Which is cool and weird in the same time. Anyway, it gives me ideas. So where's my Sprite? Also, I have no idea how to upgrade it, because I'm using Sprite not from not via the, how it was called, not using Steam, but using itch, and for some reason itch does not know how to upgrade it, so that's weird. Also, can I ignore that? Actually, this is great that it can recover files. This is super cool. I know that it's wrong because I moved the folder. I renamed the folder. I didn't move, I renamed it. Also, it's really weird stuff. Okay, edit, open recent. Oh, there's no recent files. I wanted to clear that, thinking like maybe it will forget, but no. Okay, so edit, new, wait, new, same size. It gives me an idea about the drone, so let's make drone greenish. Wait, it's gonna be space, it should be brighter. So, can I change size by hitting a key? Brush type, that's a type. Brush size and pixels, control. Okay, yes, I can control and mouse wheel. Okay, so if that's a drone, let's have it smaller like this. It's gonna be triangles right now, not boxes. Look at my perfect skills. Okay, should it be... Yeah, it may be black. Maybe this color. Okay. Where's the sound? Perfect. Save. It's gonna be modules, entities, drones, or drone. For drone.png. Save. You also need some thrusters, so let's have them here. They should be square. Let's have it mirrored. It's not completely mirrored, so Let's maybe make them here, like that. The idea is that there are only two of them and they will be shooting sideways, so when one shoots, technically when you're rotating, one will shoot and it will rotate, which may be cool. And two somewhat looking guns. Let's make one gun another color. Like yellow. Wait, it did both? Good, safe. It would be nice to delete, to make it more equal. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Now let's have a drone. Or drone. Okay, so it's gonna be a core drone. It's modules, entities, drones, core drones, save. Ah. For a drone, I of course need all those elements that I have in core module. So I don't need place. I have no idea what it is. Oh, that was a bit testing of the behaviors. So that's something that I don't need right now. Progress bar I may need, and the actual icon sprite. So let's add the sprite, and let's add the bar. Okay. So for the sprite, it will have this one by default. Progress bar goes up. And it's being resized. Boom. Next I will add script called core drone GD. Core drone entity. Entity, I don't know. Just it's so confusing. Resources can be just like as a data. Is it good though? I don't know. Okay, where's my drone? Here it is. Also, why it's auto sorted again? Oh, it actually auto sorted. A, B, C, D, B, S. Good. This is weird, but okay. Let it be. The drone also has states. So let's maybe try and put drone here. For drone, you will go here. Save. It can be entity, so I don't need a special script for that. It would be same as this one. Also, yeah, let's extend the entity. Okay, can I change type to character body 2D? Save. And yeah, it needs to have a collision shape, the one that will have rectangle, and let's go to 2D. Can it be triangle, by the way? No triangle. Okay, let's have it as a rectangle. Good. Let's call it health bar. I never tried that, so I don't know. Никогда не пробовал. I'm weak. I'm super weak. So I'm not sure, like I can make push-ups and pull-ups, and pull-ups will be like I could long ago do around 20 pull-ups. Right now I can maybe 2. And I became heavier for like around 5, maybe even 10 kilos. Mm-hmm.
The way you look at me, I'm so sure. Can't ignore the sign. Your face has changed.
Okay. how do I make the drone move? Where's the code? So that's a drone. That's a drone resource. So it has some states that gonna be persisted. It has the assets that gonna be there. By the way, let's. Oh wait. Oh wait. If it's character body based on entity, so yep, C# is part of Godot. I mean, I cannot show you in this one, in this version, but generally, if you go to their main website and click, for example, download latest, you have .NET version and regular one. This one has C# support. It had C# support from version 3 something, at least. And Godot has... it supports any language, basically. Like, it... let's actually Google Godot for supported languages. GDescript, C#, C and C++. But you can have your own language so they have this GD extension technology. So generally, Godot can be any language. Okay, Unity. First of all, Unity tried to kill themselves, and it was not the first time. So Godot is faster and easier to use. Unity actually annoys me because, like, if I want to change a line, for example, to do some stuff, I command the stuff out, save, and the game is kind of working. In Unity, it does not. It will recompile. Because C#, of course, but still, it's a bit annoying, and that's one of the reasons why I'm using GDescript, kinda. And I tried this engine like a long time ago, and I think it's fine. So I still have Unity on my PC probably, so I can try and use that later on. But Godot is easier for my game ideas. Unity it's kind of bloated by this point, so I don't need a lot of stuff from Unity. And I keep forgetting how was the name of the game, but there are really cool Godot 3D games. So there is a guy who was trying to make kind of Tarkov game in Unity, and then Unity decided to be greedy, and he remade his game fully on the GDescript, for the GDescript. Oh, not GDescript, but for the Godot engine. So, and you won't even know that it's not Unity or like Unreal, because it looks super cool. Oh, I feel sorry for you. You spent your money for that single player stuff and pay to win content. So there's C++. I actually didn't know that you can do this generally. By the way, okay, it's still working. I really enjoyed playing this new Arena Infinite Breakout game. That is kind of simplified Tarkov, but it has some features that Tarkov promised 8 years ago, and they still don't have them. So, окей, да. Я соболезную, что ты потратил деньги на Unheard Edition. It's not worth it. To my opinion, это плохо. I'm just generally talking that I enjoy this arena game. Then it's good. I bought Tarkov like, I don't know, 8 years ago, maybe more. And it was... I kind of bought this limited edition, or whatever it's called, Age of Darkness, kind of one of the first. So it was cool, I enjoyed it, and yes, Tarkov became worse and worse and worse. So right now I won't enjoy Tarkov. There's nothing to me there. I wanna try to play Tarkov, I wanna try to play Arena Tarkov, I wanna do some stuff, but then I think I'm gonna be killed from nowhere, I'm gonna be desynced, I'm gonna be, you know, all that stuff. All the stuff that was there from the day one, now it's worse. Because there's like new mechanics that not working fully. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the long queues all the time, stupid quests that don't make any sense. The stuff that you need to Google constantly if you want to do quests, guns, ammo, or something. Screw that. Not doing that stuff. Play Tetris every time to go to the raid. This is kind of enjoyable, but still... You can die like in few seconds when the game starts. And then you need to gear up again, and it's gonna take more, because like loading into the game takes same time as loading out to the menu, which is also like, why? So yeah, I mean, Tarkov lost its charm for me. I wanna play it, but then all that pain kicks back and I don't wanna play it. Okay, let's say I will have the function here like move. I have no idea how to make the drone move. I can have the state machine back there, but I don't wanna. Collision shape 2D, do I wanna? No. Sprite 2D, do I wanna? Okay, this one is being built. And it's being built by its own script. externally. So it's by the node, by the tree. So this is something that is good. And whatever builds it works with the build stuff. So because it's outside. Let's say the drone is built from start, so okay, let's have it again. Function ready. I need to have export var resource is drone. What? Oh, I did not pass out. So it's a resource. It's gonna be a new drone. Yes. So instance is self. The health bar new progress value. And it's gonna be 100. Actually, let's make it 100. Who cares? Is active. Yes, let's start idle. State assets, new state asset, and main texture will be quick load. Core drone PNG blueprint. There is none. Close is built. Yes. Build points none because I don't need them. So I have this resource, which is cool. So let's have a. Oh, it won't work. No, var health. Wait, it won't work. It should be on ready, so I cannot assign that. Okay, let's have it here. What went first? On ready or export? Wait, I had the scripting style guide. On ready goes last. On ready variable resource. Nope. Not a resource. Health bar. Let's go with the same name. So it's gonna be progress bar, and it's gonna be equal to the health bar. So here health bar. Dot. I'm not sure which one actually it will be the first one. So health bar dot max value equals resource dot health dot max. Get max value and health bar. I hate it. Make it with underscore. Health bar dot current just value equals resource dot health bar dot get value. Okay, will this work? Invalid access to property can base object. Oh, I don't have resource. No, I have resource. Yes, I have one. So, invalid access property or key. Oh, that's why. It's 100. Can I make it not percentage? Range. Editor spin slider, progress bar, scroll bar, slider, spin box. Yeah, what the hell is editor spin slider? And I'm probably gonna end soon. I need to eat. If nothing happens. And I will be working probably silently on this game. Or maybe I will go and play Satisfactory with Invite. And I don't know if he will play. Everything depends. So that's a core drone. I start and it will be like working and doing stuff. The problem is that I have no idea how the behaviors that can be attached will know about each other, if they should. Okay, let's have for now a function that's gonna be in input, and I will go and copy worked. Move to target. Hmm. Procrastination. Procrastination. Trying to assign the value of type. Okay, let's have it simple then. So, if event dot is action pressed, is there something like not UI like click? Hmm. How to check if it is clicked? Action is pressed, is matched, is pressed, is released, duplicate, get rid. Yeah, that's not it. Is action pressed? And let's say there is some action. Then input dot position. It was somewhere here. Maybe it's part of this code? Nope. It's definitely part of this code. Get global mouse position. Target. Position. This is vector 2. Chair is loud. Hmm. Trying to assign value of type node to G to a variable of type character body to G. So this is character body to G. And I am character body to G. But owner is not character body. Oh, okay, owner is a node as this should work. Okay, now I clicked and move to target. Actor. Why is not the character body today? Don't see how it helps. In wide, I mean, I don't see wide files. I don't see why it's like that. Okay, target position actor. Why actor is null? If not actor and owner is I don't know. Am I here? Okay, I'm not there, so obviously something went wrong. Who's the owner is? Maybe it's because the entity here. Because this class is definitely a character body 2D. But it extends the entity directly from the node, so it is allowed but not allowed. Okay, let's have the character body 2D. Because this one is custom, so and this one should work right now. Okay, still nil. Wait, what? Owner is a test level. Because that's me, not like this. That's how it should be. Can't convert from RAS. Why? You can. I believe in you. Okay. Damn, it moves. Oh, I don't need this. Okay, it moves. Today I'll probably end stream here. It's a bit boring. Yesterday was super cool stream. Today is not as cool, and I'm really sleepy for some reason. Probably because of the stupid day. So I will think after the stream while eating and doing stuff what I can do about this, like how I can have this behavior about moving stuff with some values. Because let's say I can have the drone and I can have like movement things. So I can have a... oh, that's a resource drone. That's not the one. Let's go to the drone. So it has all the stuff. And here should be var move data or something like that. So, and it's also a resource. So, and this one should have a speed. Acceleration and other things if needed. I don't need to store what I'm doing, but I need to store a target, like where am I moving. So there can be also a export bar target data. Let's say it's also a resource. So this one is position to move or another node to D. And it may be a resource, so I mean it will be a node. There is no need, so it can be a path to the node. But then when I load, it may be not yet there, so I of course can have like node. I can, if you click and you don't click an object, it will create a target point, it will move to it, and then it will be freed when it hits the target. So it would stop moving. But then if you hit the asteroid, it would move, stop, and do stuff like that. I don't know. I probably will end here, and after stream, yes, I will think about how to do it. So, because the resource should have only data about all the thing and stuff, maybe some functions about using that thing, like set target, for example. But the drone on itself should have all the ability to move. So, right now, if I run, it moves, but it's not part of the resource. And this component is not attachable. I like how it actually, like the speed, it goes back and forth. Which I don't care right now. I of course can have this as a resource that will have a node that needs to be spawned in. So if I have an object, I can have this component that will have internally this resource, new resource. Or when I store, and I will generate an object as a resource pool. I don't know. I will think about it. It's probably way simpler than anything else. So ads are going to be run, and I will be ending stream here. For now at least. Hope tomorrow everything will be different. Also, for some reason it's not responding. Oh, because there was an error and it froze? I don't know. And let's close this one. Good stream. Yeah, I mean boring stream. Sorry. Yesterday was a good stream. Fun stream. Especially when got raided and stuff. How you are doing? I have no idea how to work with resources, so I need to think about it. Because I want to create objects based on the like dragging and pulling stuff with all the components. So if I want to give something the ability to do something, I will add it. And then when this game is saved, the resources won't be saved, sadly. So I don't know. I hope I will figure it out. Anyway, thanks everyone, everybody, I don't know. English is bad. My brain is dying. I'm already asleep. Yeah, thank you everyone, and good night. Ciao. Yeah, ciao. I hope to see you tomorrow, and I will join your stream tomorrow. Good night. Now recording is going, and